Let me show you some interesting specs on the Ineos Grenadier. And no, I'm not going to make any excuses for the dirty vehicle, because it is a 4x4 and quite recently I had a very nice off-road trip with it. It is all the facilities if you want to load any or tie any other equipment with you. Jerry cans, for in this case, on the side doors. If you want to do that, you can even put some of the brackets on it. Otherwise, the other nice thing that I like is the bars on top of the roof, where you can also tie down, and they are very sturdy. And apart from that, there is a ladder if you want to get up onto the roof rack. It is my understanding up to 250 kilogram capacity. Then some adjustable hooks, tie down hooks in the loading compartment of the Ineos Grenadier. And the other nice thing about it, there is also a socket where you can connect your fridge. It's already been fitted with a dual battery system. And apart from the spacious loading box in the back, it can actually take an entire pallet. There are more tie down hooks for securing your load in the back. And to ensure that your passengers are safe in the cabin, there are already installed hooks, so that you can just install the safety net to ensure that your passengers are safe at all times. The other nice feature is the 3070 door for easy access and making sure that everything is easy accessible in your Ineos Grenadier.